There are a lot of myths about compounding. One of them is you don't do it in the sunlight. That's not true. You absolutely can do it in the sunlight. Another one is you're doing a really good job if at a 45-degree angle you can read the label of the bottle, which I guess, I mean, if that's your litmus test, I can read the side of the bottle here at a 45-degree angle, but I'd rather be able to really read it. And so why not keep going? This is not the stopping point, guys. If this is your stopping point, maybe you just don't care, and that's great. Go ahead and wax it, and this is going to be what your boat looks like for 6 to 8 months. Probably more like 3 to 6 months. If, however, you want your boat to look good and last a long time, then you make it so that you can read the label head on, like 90 degrees. And if you can't, well, you're probably doing something wrong, in my opinion. But I'm kind of OCD about this stuff. So if you want 45 degrees, that's great. Most boats you can get at a 45-degree angle and they'll look good. See, even this looks good. But it's the head on that's really important. So you need bright lights, you need something that's reflective, so you can see the swirls if you left any in there. Anyway, you can do this in direct sunlight. The trick is just maybe use a little bit less, be a little quicker on spreading it out, and it doesn't dry on the boat nearly as fast as what you might think that it looks like before. So there's my buffer down at the bottom there. Kind of see that. Now this is just Super Duty. Just Super Duty. There's nothing else there. And I don't even know if it's been wiped down. Probably got wiped down. But just Super Duty from this. So Super Duty followed by Heavy Cut. Just Heavy Cut. And I don't know if you'll be able to catch the reflection. Probably not, because it's not in the sun. Oh, there. This is just well, not just. This is Perfected EXAC. So going through the steps on a black boat, sometimes it's nice to have one guy working ahead of the other one. One person, sorry, it's 2022. Starts off with Super Duty pushing one way or the other, either towards the stern or towards the bow. And then have somebody follow up with Heavy Cut, following in the same direction that they were going. And then the person who finished with the Super Duty can come behind them and work with the Perfected EXAC to get the back. Or you can just do the entire boat in one pass with one product and then come back and do the entire boat with another product and just keep repeating. But if you've got two people, sometimes it's nice. That's all.